Welcome back to Survival Forge, where we test the limits of steel and bring you the tools that actually matter when it counts. Most people think knives are just tools for simple tasks. But in reality, the right knife can completely change how you handle survival, outdoor challenges, and even everyday situations. Whether you're out in the wild, preparing food, or dealing with tough materials, the knife you carry defines your capability. But here's the problem. Not all knives are built for real-world performance. Some look impressive but fail under pressure. Others are designed for one specific purpose and struggle outside their comfort zone. That's why today, we're doing something different. In this video, we're breaking down 5 powerful knives from different categories, from aggressive tactical blades to precision kitchen knives. Each one serves a unique purpose, but all of them share one thing in common: performance you can rely on. This is not just about survival in the wilderness. It's about having the right tool for the right situation. Because sometimes survival isn't just about fire and shelter. It's about efficiency, control, and being prepared for anything. So whether you're a survivalist, a gear enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates high-quality blades, this list has something for you. Stay till the end, because our number 1 pick might not be what you expect. But it's one of the most practical and powerful tools you can own. Let's get into it. At number 5, we have something unexpected: the Imarku 7-inch chef knife. Now you might be thinking, a kitchen knife in a survival list? But here's the truth. Precision tools like this are just as important as heavy-duty blades. The Imarku chef knife is designed for control, accuracy, and efficiency. In any situation where food preparation matters, whether at home, camping, or even in long-term survival scenarios, this knife becomes incredibly valuable. Its blade is razor-sharp and allows for smooth, clean cuts. From slicing meat to chopping vegetables, it performs with precision that larger survival knives simply can't match. This level of control is essential when you need to maximize resources and minimize waste. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to work for extended periods without fatigue. This is especially important in situations where you need consistency and accuracy. While it's not built for chopping wood or heavy survival tasks, it excels in what it's designed for: precision cutting. And in many real-world situations, that's exactly what you need. The Imarku chef knife proves that not all powerful tools are aggressive. Sometimes, precision is the real strength. At number 4, we have the REAT RT0486, a knife that blends modern design with solid performance. This blade is built for users who want a combination of style, control, and everyday usability. The RT0486 stands out with its sleek construction and well-balanced feel. It's designed to be comfortable in hand, allowing for smooth and controlled movements during use. Whether you're cutting materials, handling outdoor tasks, or using it as part of your daily gear, it performs consistently. One of its key strengths is balance. The knife doesn't feel too heavy or too light, making it easy to handle for extended periods. This makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The blade itself is sharp and reliable, capable of handling a variety of tasks without losing efficiency. While it may not be designed for extreme survival abuse, it performs well in general use scenarios. The handle design ensures a secure grip, giving you confidence during use. This is important when working with precision or under pressure. Overall, the REAT RT0486 is a versatile knife that focuses on usability and performance. It's a great option for those who want a reliable, everyday blade with modern styling. At number 3, we step into more aggressive territory with the DRGSKL Tanto fixed blade knife. This is a knife designed for strength, durability, and tactical performance. The standout feature here is the Tanto-style blade. This design is known for its reinforced tip, which makes it incredibly strong and capable of handling tough tasks. Whether you're cutting through hard materials or applying pressure, this blade is built to hold up. Unlike traditional bushcraft knives, the Tanto shape sacrifices a bit of slicing smoothness in exchange for power and durability. This makes it ideal for users who prioritize strength over fine precision work. The knife is built with a solid construction, ensuring it can handle rough use without failing. It's designed for situations where you need a dependable tool that won't break under pressure. The handle provides a firm and secure grip, allowing you to maintain control even in challenging conditions. This is essential for safety and efficiency during use. If you're looking for a knife that feels powerful and aggressive, the DRGSKL Tanto fixed blade is a strong contender. It's built for users who want confidence in their gear when things get tough. At number 2, we have the Sword 7-inch medium flex fillet knife, a tool designed for precision, flexibility, and efficiency. This knife is specifically built for filleting and detailed cutting tasks, especially when working with fish or delicate materials. Its flexible blade allows for smooth, controlled cuts, making it highly effective in situations where accuracy is critical. The medium flex design gives it a unique advantage. It can bend slightly to follow the shape of what you're cutting, reducing waste and improving efficiency. This is something rigid blades simply can't do. The handle is designed for comfort and grip, ensuring stability during use. This is especially important when working with slippery materials like fish. While it's not a heavy-duty survival knife, it plays a crucial role in food preparation, which is a key part of survival. In many scenarios, being able to process food efficiently can make a huge difference. The Sword fillet knife proves that specialized tools have their place. It's not about brute strength. It's about precision, control, and getting the job done right. At number 1, we have the Purple Dragon Tanto-style fixed blade knife, a powerful and versatile tool that combines strength, control, and aggressive design. This knife is built to handle a wide range of tasks, from heavy-duty cutting to general outdoor use. The Tanto-style blade provides extra strength at the tip, making it ideal for tough situations where durability is essential. The construction is solid and reliable, ensuring that the knife can withstand real-world use. Whether you're dealing with hard materials or challenging environments, it performs with confidence. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. It can handle both survival tasks and general use, making it a practical choice for users who want one knife that can do it all. The handle is designed for a secure grip, allowing for better control during use. This improves both safety and performance, especially in demanding conditions. What makes this knife stand out is its balance of power and usability. It's not just aggressive, it's functional. If you're looking for a knife that delivers strength, reliability, and versatility, the Purple Dragon Tanto fixed blade earns its place at number 1. And there you have it. 5 powerful knives, each built for a different purpose, but all designed to perform when it matters most. From precision tools like the Imarku chef knife and Sword fillet knife to aggressive survival blades like the DRGSKL and Purple Dragon, this list shows that the definition of a powerful knife isn't just about size or strength, it's about how well it performs in its intended role. Because at the end of the day, the best knife is the one that fits your needs. Whether you're preparing food, handling outdoor tasks, or facing survival situations, having the right tool makes all the difference. Now, it's your turn. Which knife from this list would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Survival Forge for more survival gear, knife reviews, and tactical content. Stay sharp, stay ready.